What's the volume like right now? Okay. Could target shorts off this 1 minute bearish.
Yeah, looks good.
Oh, actually,
It's a small gap though.
we've taken. Have we taken that low on ES? Yeah, it has.
Would you still take this, Ash?
But it's coming to macro. See how ES reacts to this gap, because ES has tapped it. It's respecting a 15-minute. Okay, I don't like how ES is moving, so I'm not gonna take shorts.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to take a short-term high.
And then if you take away this point at 816, we're actually in the middle of just this crazy range between 857 and 738. You have inverse to 5.
Oh, so close to taking that.
Let's see if it taps it. I'm gonna go in with 4.
What, you're actually gonna take sales there?
Yeah, actually,
ES doesn't look great, but everything else on NQ looks perfect.
I'm gonna take it, but with half position.
yeah.
I don't think it's in.
Alright, I'm in short there.
Yes.
My fill was wank.
Same.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
So I only have like 20 points risk on this trade.
I
ES
got
has,
such a bad fill. I'm on 24-point risk.
ES has taken the short-term high. It's also tapped into a 15-minute bearish gap. NQ's inverse to 5. So it's the fact that ES tapped into that 15-minute bearish and swept the short-term high that I think that potentially it could drive price lower. And my overall daily bias is bullish, so I'd want to see price come down and sweep London lows. But so let's see if it works out. If it doesn't work out, it is what it is. So that means we now have a bearish S&T between NQ and ES, because ES has taken a short-term high. Should hopefully give it some hold.
Where's your stop for the high or no?
Got a 813.
If we come back to entry, I might get in for another 1 micro just to make it a full size position, but with
Yeah.
reduced risk.
I want to see ES create a better bearish structure. That would be nice.
Yeah, I think ES is going to be the driving factor for this trade.
NQ looks fairly clean though, because it took out the short-term high. There's a breaker block there. That one, yeah. If ES looked better, I'd be going in full position.
Yeah.
I'm quite happy with what I've gone in with, just the 2 micros. And my break-even point would be 763, which is around 50% of my target.
Yeah.
$763, fuck. It's quite low for a break-even point, no?
I'd probably go 771.
That's going to be my reducing
Yeah, I'm
risk.
looking at 771 as well.
Yeah, it's not quite 50%, but I'm going to reduce risk there.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah, same.
Break even there.
Your break-even? Damn.
Yeah.
I didn't take this on my fucking combine.
Look, we're literally edging that original, that midpoint anyway. There we go. So definitely risk free there.
So that's break even there. That's lovely stuff.
Do you not put it above the gap, or have you just got a better feel than mine?
My feel wasn't the greatest either, I can't lie.
Oh, I think, mate, I literally think we're in the exact same feel.
Yeah.
Ash,
Yo.
take the shorts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took it. I hit TP.
Nice. I'm looking for London lows.
Pardon me?
I'm looking for London lows.
Oh yeah, fair enough. I just went quick TP set it because I'm choosing what? I'm choosing cultural fit. That's great.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I made 300 banks for a minute
Nice. Good shit,
on the
bro.
live in it. Yeah, in a bit.
In a bit, bro.
Pretty clean.
If ES takes out that short-term low, I'm going to bring my stop to on top of the fair right, that gap there, yeah.
Yeah.
I would just want ES to take out that low first.
Should respect this gap. Move lower.
Yeah.
Got quite a lot of liquidity at that low, the lows on ES.
Yeah. It's created 3 equal lows, so it should just completely smash through that.
It did like bottom tick 1 liquidity level on NQ. I've just seen.
I'm just going to leave my stop at break even.
Fucking hell, man.
It's alright.
Drop it down already.
The hourly candle closing. If it closes bearish, the 10 a.m. candle will drive it down. Hopefully.
Mate, this low, look at this low on ES.
Yeah, it just needs to break it, doesn't
Why
it?
is it all so odd?
I've got a minor sell side on ES marked out at 461.
Hmm. Okay, there we go.
Order filled.
There you fucking have it.
Mate, it
You love to see it.
literally has teased me a tick away from hitting profit.
What? Mate, I'd get... bro. It's just taking the previous day low.
Yeah, it didn't, which is so annoying. My trading
Yeah,
was Oh my god, close the position, I'm begging you.
Yes.
Yo, brother.
We got some new colors.
Yeah, bro. Did you take that short? Did you take it?
Yes, I did.
Good shit, bro. Lovely stuff.
I was just on time. I was literally just on time. If I was like a minute late, then I would have missed it.
Were you on the stream with us? Were you on the stream with us?
Sorry?
Were you on the stream with us?
Yes.
Alright.
I was.
Nice stuff, bro.
Nice.
What was your
Good
comment?
shit.
I entered with 4 micros.
Yeah, good stuff, bro. That'd be a good amount, right? That would have been nearly 400 on that trade you would have made.
Yes, around $390.
Yeah, perfect, bro. Send that through on Telegram or on Discord. Send it into the chat.
Yeah, I will send a video.
Alright, bro.
Alright.
Nice
Yeah,
one.
nice trade.
Also, what
Nice trade, mate.
should we say at 11 a.m.?
Fuck
Do you wanna do 11 a.m.? We'll do our 1-to-1. Does that work?
Yeah, of course,
So
it
an
will.
hour. Nice stuff, bro.
Do you want to see this fucking bullshit?
Let's see. Screen share.
Bro.
We'll just,
Brother, like, what the fuck is that?
hang on. Bro, what?
That is such shit.
Mate. There's no way.
I'm out now, so I've just fucking got it. That is taking it on TradingView.
Yeah. Cam, I had the same issue with you. I had my TP at actually previous day low.
Did you add it in London was?
No, I had it at previous day low, which I at 735. And then it was like a tick, like 0.25 away from it. And then my trading view was freezing. And then I couldn't close the position. So I had to go on Ninja Trader to close the position. I ended up closing it at the London lows mark anyway. So I got lucky and made good profit, but look at the way it's just gone back up. That's wild.
Yeah, that's mate. I got out, so like I got my profit, but like that is fucking bullshit. I was literally one tick away from bottom, like away from getting all that. Oh well, whatever. I managed to scale up my position from 1 micro to 3, so I'll take
good.
that.
Yeah, that's good. That's good stuff.
Because I got the went in for 1 on like sort of market when it tapped the gap. Then when it went back to my entry, got in another one, and then got in on the first presented gap as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was nice. I mean, I was kind of waiting out for ES to take London lows as well, but
Yeah.
it just might literally run. So
Yeah, no, so overall thought process behind the trade, I mean you guys probably know, but I think so at first I was hesitant taking it just because of how ES was pushing, but then so Fred, make sure you're listening, yeah. So
Yeah, I'm there.
so you could see we took London highs, Fred, and then we swept that short-term high, had a displacement lower, so market structure shift lower through the short-term low, and we had that gap. We had that gap there, but then ES was pushing higher. So then if we looked on the 15, ES then tapped into a 15-minute bearish gap, meaning the higher time frame bias was lower. So even though it appeared that it was going higher, it tapped into that imbalance. And then you also said, Cam, you want to see ES take that short-term high, which it then did. So this one right here, if you look at it on NQ, is right here. So that actually meant that we had a bearish S&T going lower. So then that meant that this gap was valid to take. So yeah, not much else you can really put past that. And then again, Fred, wait, just one sec. So
Yeah.
Fred, you know I said you know, sometimes it can get close to your take profit, but you don't want to close out. You want to wait and let the trade just play out, because if you just close out here, that's just scared trading, you know. And you want to be a robot. You don't want to be based off emotion. If this came back to our entry point, it's no problem, you know. But we were patient, waited for it to tap into that gap, and eventually it moved lower. So we do things that are logical and not, you know, emotionally. Do you know what I'm saying? But yeah,
Yeah, I get that. Yeah.
go on, Bess. What you saying?
Yeah, beautiful trade, bro. For a no news Monday, this is like unbelievable.
Yeah,
Do you know what I
definitely.
mean?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, good analysis, good patience, perfect execution. Even though it's a small fair value gap, like we still trusted it.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
I mean, overall, the model. Look how clean the model looks. That is I haven't seen a short model that clean for a while. That's like a perfect
Exactly.
unicorn model right there.
Beautiful.
And then right now, I'd be all over longs right now if we hadn't taken that.
Yeah. I've drawn it out exactly the same way as you, and I'm gonna put it on TikTok.
Yeah.
And you know, I did a video yesterday on the mitigation block.
Yeah.
I did that from backtesting trade. Today I can now do one on a breaker block, because we've got a breaker block there.
Yeah.
Just to the left, where price took out the short-term high on NQ, and it inversed that order block. So this is like paired with a fair value gap. This is